Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that MetaArena token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, MetaArena is an AI-powered gaming engine and execution layer designed for verifiable intelligence in Web3 environments. It provides an AI native infrastructure that enables intelligent agents, autonomous simulation, and on-chain virtual economics to operate within a secure and transparent framework. By combining AI behavior modeling, zero knowledge proofs, and distributed computation, MetaArena establishes a verifiable and auditable execution environment where AI agents can reason, act, and evolve across interconnected digital worlds. Developed through a partnership with SEI, AI Performance Layer 1 blockchain, MetaArena integrates verifiable AI computation with scalable network infrastructure. This collaboration supports low latency applications, cross-chain interoperability, and data consistency for AI-driven gaming and simulation systems. MetaArena token total supply is 2.1 billion and circulating supplies around 364.35 million TIMI token. TIMI token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.